Right. Okay. So yeah. So I'm gonna be demoing my blog. It's gonna be a blog that I'm gonna be demoing. It's pretty much a blog app in which I'm given opportunity to create blogs. So that's what I'm gonna be working with. So I'm gonna first have to do is I'm gonna have to register an account. That's what I'm gonna be doing first. So obviously in my MongoDB campus, I have to be connected to my database first before I'm able to access anything. So I got test underscore DB. So this is where my database gets stored because I'm making use of an SQL. So an SQL is pretty much a place where all your IDs are being stored like these ones. These are pretty much the IDs that are stored. So these are the usernames where everything gets stored. So it's my blog. Then in my blog, my database, and then our users. So our users pretty much stores everything here. So yeah, it's pretty much what happens there. So yeah, that's where everything gets stored. You know what I mean? So yeah, I but before I can access anything, I have to register my code first. So it's a netlify and then code. Wait, hold on. Netlify then code at gmail.com. Yeah, I'm gonna register my user. So I just need to. I'm just waiting. I'm registering it now. I'm gonna reshare my screen again. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna reshare my screen now. So the waiting process is over. Now it's time to create a new post. So this is a feature that I'm going to be talking about as well in regards to what I'm making use of. Okay, so it's been shared now. So I'm going to save my password called netlify code, and then my password which is netlifycode at gmail.com. So I'm going to save it. So as you can see here, these are apps that are being made use of. These are the pretty much the different files or different aspects of code that culminate into these pages. So in my blog spot, so these are the blogs that I created already. So what I'll do next is I'll create a new post by going to new post. Come on. And as you can see here, posts new, just loading now. Just as you can see here, summer notes is being loaded. SB Forms latest.js. Pretty much all aspects of my things are being loaded. So all that JS, they new. And then yeah. So as you can see, so it's just loading. So just give it a bit of time. Just need to load my summer notes as well. So, so as you can see here, my summer notes has been included as well. So you got summer notes, then I got my post. So my this is bold, underline, remove, link, control, picture, video, full screen, so on and so forth. But for now, I'm just gonna be using a bold and underline. So I'm gonna be creating a new title here. So title is Netlify blog. Netlify blog, right? And then I'm gonna write my posts here. So so this blog goes over the basis of Netlify. So Netlify is going to be the topic discussed here. So as you can see here, you got a Netlify blog, and then you got bold. You know what I mean? Bold, and then Comic Sans MS, and then what we have here is what I did here was I created an ordered list. So this blog goes over the basis of Netlify. So Netlify is going to be the topic discussed here. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen here. And then yeah, so it's full screen, code view, then help. So this is pretty much responsible for the full screen. So you got a full screen here, the code view. So this is the code view. So this is pretty much the view. So you're pretty much able to see the code or what type of code has been implemented, like the ordered list, bold, underline, span style, font family. Okay, Cabello. Yeah. Cabello. Yes. You don't have to go over everything. Just show like the basic functionality that you can create a blog post. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so you don't have to go through everything. Okay. Okay, no problem. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, so no file. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add a new picture as well. And then I'm gonna publish my I'm going to publish my my blog post. So it's being published. Let me quickly unshare, then I'll reshare again.